So hello friends, this is Shashi. Welcomes you to the YouTube channel Everything is Easy. So here in this part we'll be learning the shortcut method for finding out the square root of a given complex number. So the square root is usually, if you follow the procedure, that is a given formula. In our textbooks we learn a given formula, such a huge formula, and then remembering it, whole of it, and then writing it in the exam, and then solving the procedure in our competitive exams like NDA, CDS, FCAT, or any competitive exams. If we are asked to find out the square root of a complex number, it is really a complicated process, and it is such a huge formula is really a big thing. So let's learn the shortcut method for finding out the square root of a complex number. Let's give it a shot first. We should see that up to what extent we get succeed in it. Okay, so let's hit the board now. First thing first, that is writing out the topic for today, that is finding out the square root of a complex number. So square, S-Q-U-A-R-E, square root of a complex number. Okay, square root of a complex number. So let's take a complex number, that is z is equals to complex number z is equals to suppose 5 plus 12i. Okay, 5 plus 12i. So how will you finding out the square root of this complex number? The square root of this complex number will be under root 5 plus 12i. Okay, the very first thing what we should do after this is taking it the imaginary part digit is 12, so taking it in the mod like given here, and then dividing it with 2. After we divide with the 2, we get resultant as 6. So what we do with the 6 now? With this 6 what we do, we just split it into two parts. इसको दो भागों में वैसे करने हैं जैसे कि अगर इनके स्क्वायर को डिफरेंस किया जाए तो we should get this 5. If we get the difference of their squares, splitted numbers square, then we should get 5 from them. So let's do it on our board now first. So very first thing is what we get 6 by 1 into 6. 1 into 6 we get 6, but after doing the square of them, 1 and 36 doesn't give the difference of 5. So let's go for the next one. Next one will be 2 into 3. So 2 into 3 becomes square will be 4 and 9. So 4 minus 9 becomes minus 5, not 5. So let's go for the third one now. Third one will be 3 into 2. 3 into 2 will be 6, and I believe this will be the suitable one, giving the difference of 5 in their squares. So let's hit it now, doing it in a realistic manner. 9 minus 4 gives a 5. Okay, so I believe this is quite suitable. So write it down here in this manner, like 3 and 2. After writing them in this manner, we give the imaginary part to the second digit imaginary title, like making it imaginary one, and this will be the real one of the complex number, and then adding the symbol from as it is same plus symbol will be given here also, that is plus. And then as you all know that once square root comes out from any number, like comes out from the 4, it gives resultant into positive and negative both 2. You all know this very well. So for this also applies the same. Give it a bracket and write plus and minus both. So the value of under root 5 plus 12i will be nothing but plus or minus 3 plus 2i. I think you have observed it in a better manner. For any doubt, any queries, just put it in the comment box given below, and it will be solved as soon as possible. So I think giving one example won't be enough. So let's do one more example in the same manner and learn the process in a very deep and quick manner, so that it gives you very nice idea, simpler and shortest possible idea to solve the square root of a complex number. So doing with the second one, let's take the something similar. It will be friendly manner, like see, z is equals to minus 5 minus 12i. Okay, so what we'll be doing, we'll be finding out the square root of minus 5 minus 12i. Okay, so first what we should do, we should take the imaginary part in a mod, right? First process here. So we did like minus 12 in the mod and divide it with the 2, get resultant as 6, split into two parts. Second procedure, splitting into two parts, that is again the same procedure what we did here, same we follow here, that the first one will be 1 into 6 and their square, difference between their squares will not give the minus 5. So let's go for the next one, that is 2 into 3. So 2 into 3 gives a difference of 4 minus 9 gives minus 5. So this matches here. So I think this will be a suitable one. So let's write this 2 and 3 here in the two parts, 2 and 3. Till here it is simple. So now next one, after this, what we did, from here we wrote it, that was the third, this was the third step. Now the fourth step, what we did was giving it an imaginary part. So imaginary part will be 3, that was the fourth step, and the fifth step will be adding the symbol to it, that is the fifth step. So do the fifth step, that is minus, adding here becomes minus, and then you all know this thing, so the same way as we did here, plus or minus 5. So that was the sixth step. So sixth step will be giving it a bracket and adding plus and minus both, because opening a square root, opening the root from a digit gives two possibilities, that is either it will be negative or possibility of getting it in a positive. So there are two possibilities of it, same manner. Now the value of under root minus 5 minus 12i will be plus or minus 2 minus 3i. So I think it is very lucid into your brain now, isn't it? So with this I take leave. Before taking leave, I request you to please do like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel if you are new to the channel, and also submit your feedback in your comment section or DM me, who all have my numbers, or any through any medium like Facebook or Insta or anything. And just suggest me some ways to improve in our further videos, so that it will be better for both of us to go on further with this. With this I take leave of you, signing off, sayonara, bye bye. But before that, also do take care of yourself, keep yourself in your home, stay safe and be healthy. Thank you and Jai Hind.